During the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2023 match between India and Pakistan, an intriguing trend emerged on the online food delivery platform Swiggy. Surprisingly, burgers, particularly the vegetarian variants, stole the spotlight, surpassing the usual favorites like biryani and pizza in terms of orders. On October 14, the day of the much-anticipated match, Indian households leaned towards veg burgers instead of the classic choices of biryani and pizza, marking a departure from the norm. In this unusual twist, Swiggy labeled the veg burger as the dish of the match, as it recorded a remarkable 1,100% surge in orders for this delectable option compared to an average Saturday. Following the trend, other favorites on the list included veg pizzas, crispy chicken burgers, veg tacos, and choco lava cakes. Although veg burgers had a smaller starting point compared to pizzas, they emerged victorious as the most sought-after item on the platform. This unexpected culinary preference added a unique flavor to the ICC World Cup 2023 match day experience. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and be sure to like and subscribe for the latest insights.